A very warm welcome to my viewers, subscribers, and future stars of Maths. Today, in this session, we are going to do important problems, so be connected. Listen very carefully, okay? Please, if you like our videos, press the thumbs up, that is the like button, only once. If you press it again, then the count of likes will be decreased. As shown, see, 64 was there, it will become 63. So if you press it once, that is enough. If you are watching the video next time, no need of pressing like button. Okay, is it clear? If you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed, then the subscribe will be written in red color as shown in the above video. So you have to press that red color. Okay, then it will change to gray or black color and subscribed will be written. Then you can see a small bell there, that you have to press that bell. Okay, then you have to press all so that you can get all the notifications whenever we upload a new video. You have to subscribe only once. If you are watching any other video of the same channel, then there is no need of pressing the subscribe button, because already you have subscribed to our channel. So you can watch any video of our channel. Okay, if you press again subscribe, then it will be written as above. So if you press that, then the subscribe will change to subscribe in red color, that is you will be unsubscribed. So please subscribe only once and press the notification button only once. Okay. Simplify 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 3 power minus 1 by 2 power minus 2. I have used different colors for different bases and exponents. Here when you look, what we have here, we have 2 power 2 and here 2 power minus 2. So in these two we have bases same and powers are different. So for these two, what we can use, which formula can we use? We can use a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Since here the power is 2, it is greater than minus 2. Since it is positive, it will be greater and negative number will be small. So we can use this formula for this 2 power 2 and 2 power minus 2. Whereas for basis 3, which formula we will apply? We will apply a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay students, so for when we do the sum, what we have to do here, base is same, that is 2 is same. Now what are the powers? 2 and minus 2. So 2, this minus 2, when it comes in the numerator, it becomes plus 2. Okay, now what is there next? Next base is 3. So 3, what are the powers? Since both are in numerator, there is no need of changing the sign. Okay, if it is in numerator and denominator, then if the denominator is written in numerator, we will change the sign. Or else if we want to move this numerator to denominator, then we have to change the sign of this power. Okay, so when we apply these formulas, so it is equal to what? 2 power 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 power 2 minus 1 is 1. So what does it mean? 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, we have to multiply 2 4 times. And 3 power is 1 is nothing but 3. So what do we get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, so the final answer will be 48. Okay, students. Next bit is 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 whole divided by 6 power minus 1. Now you can have a look. I wrote minus 1 with blue color and the bases with black color. So blue color is same. That is the powers are same. So when powers are same, we'll use the formula of same powers. Okay. So before that, I'll write this question properly. Since division is written like this, I'll change it like this. 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 by 6 power minus 1. Okay, is there here. First we'll open this bracket. Using which formula? A power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Be written as 4 into 3 in bracket whole power minus 1 outside. Okay, by 6 power minus 1. So it is equal to 4 3s are 12 power minus 1 by 6 power minus 1. Again we have what? Powers are same, bases are different. So what we can use again? We can use a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. So it is equal to 12 by 6 whole power minus 1. Since these two numbers, the fraction, this fraction we have 12 and 6. Since these two numbers we can cancel in 6 table, we will cancel here. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So it is equal to 2 power minus 1. Okay. So 2 power minus 1. Again, which formula we can use here? Since a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, what we can write here? We can write this as 1 by 2 power minus 1 changes to plus 1 in denominator. So it is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Here we can end up here also, but the power should not be negative. So we'll change it to positive using this formula. Okay, student.